So hello guys, this is our new video of termux terminal file handling. How we can handle our storage devices, files, folders, everything. Means the file management command using termux terminal. So at first open your termux simulator. Now type at first every time when you are opening your termux terminal, just type the command apt update $ampersand apt upgrade. For run at a time apt update and upgrade, we are using the double ampersand sign. Now enter it. So it will run at a time 2 command. So it's done. apt update and apt upgrade also is already done. Now for file handling, you have to know first in which directory you are in at present time. So some of the commands you can see over there. Here is the listed of the commands: pwd, list, cd double dot, mkdir, rmdir, history. So let's start with the pwd. Pwd means present working directory. Pwd is the short form of present working directory word. Just type pwd and enter. So now you are in home directory. If you want to list it all of the folders inside the home directory, list it out using the ls command. Ls means list. So in the home directory there have one folder, that is storage folder. So if you want to access your storage folder, then you need to run one command. Without this command you can't access your storage folder. termux storage termux setup storage. So you can access with this command your storage drive or sd card or internal storage. That means you can access this with this command your internal storage. Now enter it. So it's asking some permission. Do you want to continue? Just press y and enter. It take little bit time, so it's done. Now I already given access, that's why it's taking little bit of time, but when you will run in your termux terminal, then one pop-up will come, then you have to just allow and then you can access your storage devices. So now list it out. So how you can go into the storage devices and you can change what are the folders are there by this command cd change directory and type the storage and enter. So you are in storage drive. Now list it out what are the folders are in storage folder. DCIM, downloads, movies, music, pictures, shared, lot of folders are there. So you can access all of the folders and you can make any directory also in this storage device, in this storage folder. So let's go to the downloads folder. cd by the command cd downloads, and but make sure this is the important thing, this all words are case sensitive. You have to type as it is the word. So downloads and enter. So now you are in downloads folder. List it out. So here I have so many files, jpg files, mp3 files, mp4 files and pdf also, and update one file, one directory also is there. So I'm go back to my files, internal storage. Here I have download folder. See, there are one update folder, jpg file, mp3 file, .pdf, .apk, mp3 jpg. So these are the all folders are there. So if I want to make one directory here in this download folder, how I can make? By this command. If you want to make any directory, what you have to do? Just need to type make directory. So here is the short form of the make directory is mkdir. Make means mk and directory means dir. mkdir and what is the name of the file name, I mean the folder name. I want to make the hello folder, so make directory hello, then enter. Now list it out. So in the download folder there another hello folder is been added. So now how we can remove, means how we can delete any folder. Suppose I want to, okay, at first I will show my files, it is created or not. Download, see here one folder has been created. So now, so how we can remove or how we can delete this folder? Just need to type remove directory. What is the short form? RM means remove and directory means dir. Remove directory and the folder name, remove directory hello, enter, listed out, see, and you can see in your storage device it's already deleted. So how you can go back to your previous folder? cd double dot and enter. Now here you can see you are in storage folder now, listed out. There are, these are the folders. Okay, now so type the history. Using the history command you can see before what are the commands you have typed. See, lot of commands you have typed from the beginning. Now another cool two things I will show. Suppose you want to check your time and the calendar, just type the cal, it will show your calendar. And if you want to see your date, then type the date and enter. In previous video you have seen how you can get information about any package or about any command. So you can do these things with the help of info command. So if you want to type info date and enter, see it gives some syntax. By this syntax you can learn what are the things you can do with this date command. Go back to your previous stage by pressing Ctrl plus C. Done. So this is the file management termux command. You can do lot of things with this command, and you can access your storage drive also. To instead of GUI you can access all of the drive using the command line interface in one terminal. So see you next videos. If you like these videos, then just press like and subscribe button for more informative videos. Now press exit. Done.